This week on Ask an Expert, cavities. Welcome to Ask an Expert, the show where you submit questions to be answered by people around the school. This week on Ask an Expert, Cassidy asked, "Is a cavity a chemical reaction?" Here to answer Cassidy's question is Miss Sutton, one of our science teachers. Welcome, Miss Sutton.
Thanks for having me, Sam.
So, can you help us answer Cassidy's question?
Definitely. At Carleton, we have an Ask the Expert Twitter hashtag, and Cassidy asked, how do you know that cavities are a chemical reaction, or are they a chemical reaction? And yeah, they are. Without getting into too much of the ugly chemistry there's sugars that you eat, and those sugars in your mouth react with the saliva, and that turns into a little bit of an acid, and the acid erodes or eats away at your teeth.
Okay, that's really interesting. When I took science class, I always talked about what were the indicators of a chemical reaction.
Well, there's like gases being given off, like bubbles. You can make a solid, like a precipitate. At grade 9, 10, and mostly 11, it can't be undone. Pardon me. And there's a color change. So cavities can't be undone. You can't brush away your cavities, and they do have a little bit of a color change.
That's really cool. Well, thank you, Miss Sutton. We really enjoyed having you. So I hope that answered Cassidy's question. So thanks for helping us out.
Anytime.
That's it for this week. But remember, if you have a question you want answered, tweet it to @PACarleton with the hashtag AskAnExpert, and we'll find someone who can answer it for you. See you next week.